very, very breezy down here at the Yacht Harbor. The winds are up to 60 kilometers an hour, and the gust. And yeah, there's quite something going on. I put a little bit more attention on the rope of my Skyloop antenna to prevent the coax cable just from, you know, getting tangled around, and so, but it's all still good. I know how this works in stormy days. Very experienced. But this is all the coax is doing. Oh yeah, look at this. Very comfy and beautiful, refreshing, and this is the favorite time of the season for me. Yep. Oh mama, life has just begun. Black Shark, how you keeping? Are you fine over there? Woohoo! Rock and roll! I love this weather.